How to upload high-quality video on TikTok. Open the TikTok app. Today, I will show you can upload high-quality video on TikTok. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of TikTok. Record a new video. Press the tick. Select Next. Scroll down. Select More options. Select Allow High Quality Upload. If this is turned off, turn it on. Now you can upload high quality videos. If it did not work, go to your profile. Select 3 lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Find Data Saver option. If this feature is on, turn it off. This is a feature that will save your data, so the resolution might facing problem. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.